How to connect Voltas AC to Wi-Fi. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you have to download the app. You want to get the Voltas Smart app from the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. You will then power on the AC, make sure your AC is turned on and in Wi-Fi mode, usually by pressing a Wi-Fi symbol or button on the remote or unit. Look for a blinking icon. Then you want to open up the app, you want to launch the Voltas Smart app and register or log in. And then you have to choose Add Device. Tap Add Device in the app and then you will select your AC model or type. Connect to Wi-Fi, you want to enter your Wi-Fi name, SSID and password. Make sure you are either on a 2.4 GHz network or 5 GHz. Pair the AC, the app will now search and pair with your AC. Wait until the pairing is complete. And that should be it. You can now control your AC remotely via the app, adjust the temperature, mode, and more. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.